Let's fix it. Please read and listen carefully. Open the back panel of the TV. Remove all 3 ribbon cable and clean them, then reinstall. I cleaned them and reinstalled, but it did not work for me. If it works for you, then it's good. If not, please continue for the next solution. Remove left ribbon cable and turn on the TV. Keep the ribbon cable. TV will turn on, like this. Remove right ribbon cable too and turn on the TV. 100%. You will see lines here, which means we should fix ribbon cable. To fix it, install small piece of tape from one side till end of ribbon cable. Turn on TV to find which part you are getting short. At one point, TV will turn on with no lines. That's a fix.